In this video, I would like to show you how you can install the Alpha adapter driver on your Kali Linux. Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Saad from CyberSudo. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media for more content. We have recently reached 10,000 subscribers, so I would like to thank you so much for being part of this journey and supporting me, liking these videos. And as an appreciation, I would like to give away 5 ethical hacking courses or 5 OSINT masterclass courses to 5 of you. All you have to do is just to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because the giveaway is going to be on my Twitter account. So you can choose any course you would like to. You just have to follow me on Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and retweet the post that I will do about this video, and then you'll be part of the giveaway. Let's start our video. Now, as I showed you before, the wireless adapter that I'm using is this Alpha and this version, and it has the Realtek RTL8812AU chipset. So this is the one that we are going to install it on Kali Linux 2023. This is going to be the latest version of Kali. Today is 25th of July. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do, which is very important, is to disable your antivirus. Whether you have Windows Defender or any other antivirus, you have to disable it, because some of the tools that you are going to update on Kali or upgrade on Kali are going to be blocked by the antivirus, and we don't want to do this. The second thing you want to do is that you want to plug in your Alpha adapter to your Kali Linux, whether you have VirtualBox or VMware, and then go to devices from here, and then USB, and then you will find the chipset, which is Realtek NIC, which stands for Network Interface Card. So after that, you want to open the terminal. I'm going to open it as root, and then I'm going to say LSUSB just to list all the USB devices that are connected to my Kali Linux. And you can see that this is the chipset that we have plugged in. After this, you want to update your Kali Linux repositories by typing apt update. Once this is done, you're going to say apt upgrade, then -y to say yes. After updating Kali repositories and all Kali tools, the next step is to install what's called the DKMS. And you can see that it's been already installed. And now I'm going to say or install the driver of this Alpha adapter. So I'm going to say apt install Realtek and then RTL8812AU DKMS, then hit enter, and it's already installed. Now at this point, you will be able to find your Alpha adapter, and if you did not find it, please restart your Kali Linux. This is very important. And if you still did not find your Alpha adapter, then you can install it manually by downloading the driver from their GitHub page and then installing it on your Kali Linux manually. So assuming that you restarted your Kali and you are not able to find your Alpha adapter by typing ifconfig, for example, in my case, it's already in here because I've already installed the driver. But in your case, just in your case, if you did not find the driver or you were not able to find the Alpha adapter, then you want to download the adapter from or the driver from their GitHub page. So to do this, I'm just going to copy this command, git clone https aircrackng and the driver name, and then I'm going to change my directory to the folder that we have downloaded, then hit enter. And after this, I'm just going to say make, and this should work. And after this, we are going to run a command called make install, and that's it. And then you can restart your Kali Linux, and you should be able to find this Alpha adapter in your Kali. You will be able to use it in monitor mode to search for any wireless access point or maybe capture the handshake, etc. And now we can run the last command, which is make install. And that's it. Now, once you restart your Kali Linux, you will be able to find your Alpha adapter, and now you can start testing the security of your wireless network. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like to this video and subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media, and I will see you in another video.